Steve Barnard, I'm the Strategic Director of Innovation for HFT. Innovation is not something that is paid for in our sector. If there's a lot of money, maybe there is. During a recession, commissioners will say that's what has to go. One of the things that they clamped down on was telecare once the recession set in. In fact, telecare saves you money. Why wouldn't you invest in it? So we haven't got enough money to do things the way we did them in the past. So really for HFT, it's how can we use technology to do things better, not just using technology as an add-on, but fundamentally in the bloodstream of the organisation. We have to get away from seeing innovation as a cost rather than an investment. However, the current funding mechanism requires that interpretation of need is number of hours times the hourly rate means how much need someone has. So if you have more needs, you get more money. Now, where's the incentive then for HFT to drive down the level of need, level of dependency, and drive down the cost? Because all it does is reduce our income. So we have to have a different funding mechanism, and we want to move to an outcomes-led budgeting. At the moment, you've got competitive tendering, so everybody completes a tender and submits it as long as they are a preferred provider. And then they'll be sort of analysed and compared. I think there has to be a lot more collaboration and a lot more transparency. By that I mean, when someone at the moment is said, you get 100 hours a week, every week, because you need 100 hours a week. Well, nobody needs the same hours every week, let alone every day. So moving to outcomes is something that says, actually, how do we demonstrate that we're working towards the outcomes that we've agreed, and show you what the cost of that is, 3 monthly, 6 monthly. But there is another group of people in there that we have to also get on side, is CQC, our regulator, who I have to say is very much wanting to see things in paper. They don't want to see things on screens, yet the way forward is to see things on screens and to do that remotely. Now we have got a lot of work to do in that area, and we need commissioners on site to help us with CQC. At the moment, what we can't do is go to a commissioner and say, can we share the load with you? We'll save each other money. What HFT have done is, yes, through grants and through its own investment, is say there are better ways of doing things. And there are better ways of supporting people, and that's our aspiration. Why wouldn't you do it?